Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you my new handbag and how I have it organized. You all know how much I love a great handbag, so let's get started. So friends, I'm excited to share with you my handbag that I'm going to be carrying this winter. I recently shared that this is a new bag that I got in my haul video. I'll link that video if you missed it. But one thing about this bag, I wanted this to be the bag that I carried throughout the winter. I also wanted this to be something that was very festive, so that, it was a reminder for me when I open my bag to just calm down, Nikki, stop working so hard, enjoy the holidays. So I really wanted a party in a bag. And so how I have this organized, friends, it is definitely a party in the bag, and it's a lot of fun. And I think when we organize things in our lives, we need to implement things of fun. We need to implement ways to give ourselves reminders to just take it easy and relax sometimes. And that's one of the purposes of making the interior of my handbag basically a party in the bag. So I'm going to turn the camera around so that I can show you how I have this beautiful new bag organized. So friends, let's get into the bag. And one thing I love is the color. It's that beautiful latte color. It's an Anne Klein bag and it's absolutely beautiful. I love that the bag has this nice handle. It makes it easy to grab. And I love a bag that has a nice handle and that it has that black trim on it because I love a lot of black accessories, so I can kind of combine them. It did come with this scarf, which I love. I love accessorizing the outside of my handbags, whether it's a charm or a scarf. I think it's just a fun way to add something to a bag. And of course, I love the silver hardware on this bag because you all know for the last year or so, I've been carrying a lot of gold. And so now it's refreshing to move to the silver. One thing that I did not like is that the bag didn't have feet on it. You all know I typically love to have feet on my bag. It helps it sit up easily, but that's okay. The price point on this bag was great. And I think right at $39, so it was great. I also love the adjustable strap. It is really great for, giving me, being able to resize the bag when needed, when I want a different feel to how I'm carrying it. So now let's move into and look into the interior of the bag. It's just a nice taupe color, very simple. Love that about it. It has a pocket on one side, which is great for tucking things away. And then you also have two pockets on the other side, which is great for your cell phone or anything that you need to access quickly. I typically like to look for bags that have things on the outside, but this had it on the end to put my phone, so that's totally fine. So you all see all of the bling. I wanted this bag to be fun. I'm working hard. I just finished my book. I am ready to have fun and enjoy the holidays, and I was like, I'm going to celebrate all that I have been working hard for and make my bag fun so that when I'm working, I can open it, look at it, and have fun. And let's start with this wallet. It is shiny just like I like it. I get this from my grandmother, Estelle. She loved anything with a little bling and shine, and I am definitely her child. And so this wallet is great because I can put my receipts in here easily, any cash in here. I also have my little calendar tucked in there so that if I'm on the go and need to write down any dates or check any dates. And so it's really functioning more than just a wallet because I'm having all the wallet items in there, but I'm also making it my receipts holder and all of those kind of things this holiday, so keeping it very compact. Now the next bag here I got that one from Marshall's, by the way. The next bag here is from Steinmark, and it is a little clutch, and it was on clearance for $11, and I fell in love with it. I love all the shimmer and the shine, and I'm going to use this, or I am using this rather, as my tech bag. I have my headphones tucked in there. I have chargers. This is the little charger that I use for my mobile phone, which I don't use it as much as I should so that I don't save all these photos on my phone. And basically just have all the little tech items that I need tucked in there. Magnifying glass, telling my age there. This is easy when you're reading a book or reading. You can use that little magnifying glass. I think I got that from Barnes & Noble. And then a pen. And just the simple things that I need to grab when I need all of those techie office items. Now, you all know I'm all about a bag for my keys now. Ever since I got my new pups, Bentley and Albert, when they hear my keys, they go ballistic and they think I'm leaving them. So I keep them in a little bag so that they don't hear them jingle when I'm trying to sneak out the house. And I found this one at Marshall's, really cute. And it's just easy to tuck my keys in there. It's not really a key case, but I'm using it as one just so that my keys will not jingle. So if you have the same situation, just getting a simple bag and putting your keys in it can really help them from making a bunch of noise when you're just trying to sneak out the house. And next, a notebook. Now this year I'm not hosting Christmas at my house for the first time in years, and so I don't need my planner this year. I feel like I just need a notebook to carry on the go, to have my kind of shopping items in there, any to-dos for the holidays in there, and I should be good to go. I found this one, I want to say in Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I really haven't written anything or broken in yet, so I'm going to break that in soon and get it ready for the holidays, and I'll probably show you how I set it up easily on Instagram or a video. The next is another clutch, again from Steinmark, and what I do is I'm always trying to find bags that coordinate, no matter if they're a little clutch or a little, just a zip pocket, for different compartments for my handbag. And this one holds all of those essentials like lotion and my lip balm and my nail polish that I take on the go, my cuticle cream, my cuticle oil. I have the worst cuticles in the world. In the wintertime, they get even worse, so I always have to keep that on it. My linen spray for on the go. All those little essentials, I keep it right here in this little bag. And what's great about it is, if after hours I want to go have wine with my friend girl, I can just grab this clutch and take it in, maybe throw my ID in there and use it as a secondary handbag. So that's wonderful about it. So even if you have a work bag, I always like to have a little clutch in my work bag so that I can just grab and go. And so friends, it's no secret how I like to organize my handbags. I share this with you every time I'm sharing with you my latest handbag, but as you can see, I don't have loose items. And so many of you have said when you have switched to that, it helps you keep your bag under control, because as we know, a handbag can get out of control easy. The key, friends, is always to make it so that you can just pull what you need at the time. Just have it so that when you open your handbag, everyone cannot see all of your items. They can just see your different compartments, and you can easily just look down and grab what you need to grab, whether it's your wallet, whether it's your tech bag. And I love that I have this party in a bag, and that was my idea. Every time I open my handbag, I wanted to feel like I was celebrating the holidays and I was having a party. And that is a great way to bring a little happiness to your day and a little smile to your day, just unexpectedly as you're going through life. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing how I have my new handbag organized. I have my party in a bag. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. I'll try to put any links needed down in the description box. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family. I also want to remind everyone to please get on my email list. I send out a weekly, it's called The Orderly. It's a newsletter that I jam-pack with fun tips, and it's just a fun newsletter. It's not just standard boring newsletter. It's a fun newsletter. But more importantly, I want to get all of my friends on my email list so that you know when I post videos, you know when I have things going on, and it's just a way for us to stay connected outside of YouTube and social media, because if anything changes with that, you and I are always connected. It's simple. You go to my website, AtHomeWithNikki.com, and there's a top gray bar. You click on that and you simply give me your email and you're good to go. Then we're connected. So friends, have a beautiful day. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.